In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom roles in Discord. By the end, you'll be able to organize your server, control permissions clearly, and make it easy for members to understand their responsibilities. First, make sure you're in the right server and that you have permission to manage roles. On desktop, look to the top left of the Discord window and click the server name. This opens the main server menu so you can access everything you need in one place. If you're in multiple servers, double-check you've selected the correct one before moving on. From that drop-down, choose Server Settings. This is the control center for your server, where you'll find options for moderation, channels, integrations, and more. We're going to focus on roles, since that's where you define what people can do. Inside Server Settings, go to Roles. Here you'll see any roles that already exist, along with their settings. Roles are layered permissions. They help you group people and give them specific abilities, like managing channels, moderating chats, or simply standing out with a unique color and name. At the top right of the Roles page, click Create Role to start a new one. This opens the Role Editor, where you'll set up everything in a single workflow. Begin by giving your role a clear, descriptive name. Think about what the role is for: moderation, event hosting, verified members, or project leads, and name it so that anyone on your server understands its purpose at a glance. Next, pick a color. This color is how the role appears visually across the server, which can help with quick identification. Choose something that contrasts well with your theme so names remain easy to read. Now, set the permissions for this role. Permissions determine exactly what members with this role can do, such as managing messages, creating channels, mentioning everyone, or connecting to voice. Take a moment to review each permission and enable only what's necessary. Granting fewer, more precise permissions keeps your server secure and reduces accidental changes by members who don't need admin-level access. Finally, add members to the role. Use the member search to find the people you want to include, then assign the role so they inherit the settings you just configured. You can adjust membership at any time, so don't worry if you need to refine it later. That's all. With the name, color, permissions, and members set, your custom role is ready to go, and your server will be easier to manage and navigate.